stinking Lincoln. I didn't even know they made them anymore.
Me and Justin got this harness back together. Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back to BA Cars, guys. As you can see behind me, we got an empty bay in the shop. We're getting ready to take care of that. In the last video, you guys seen us go attempt to pick up the Lincoln.
That's right.
This didn't go so well. You wouldn't know. You wasn't there.
I wasn't there.
Yeah.
I always miss out on the fun.
You missed out on the fun of pushing it.
Always. Yeah.
It was 12 degrees.
At least you didn't fall.
Hey, that's true. I was close. I was close. But we didn't have it delivered. It's down in the yard, so we're gonna take you guys with us to see if we can get that thing started. We don't even know if it runs, so we're gonna put the booster pack on it, see if we can get it fired up, and get it brought up to this bay.
And check the oil before we fire it up.
That's right.
Justin, what do you think of a Lincoln?
Stinking Lincoln. I didn't even know they made them anymore, to be honest with you. It looks pretty good, though. If you haven't already seen the damage, at least we have something that's running.
That's right. Whoa, we don't know.
Well, we don't know. Yeah, we don't know if it's going to run, but we have something that we don't have to take a motor out of, take the whole motor apart, put the motor back in 3 or 4 times, and then see how it does. Hopefully it'll start. It's just a little damaged on the front side, so we'll see.
How bad could it be, right?
I'm hopeful.
We got Logan here, already getting started. We don't even know where the battery is.
Right there.
Easy
Found it.
enough. Looks like you can't get to the negative terminal. She got an arrow?
Yep.
That's all we needed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bend a little bit out right there. It's a Copart car.
It is?
Yep.
No joke.
Yep. It's from Georgia. Man, it's cold.
At least it ain't flood damage.
Yeah, I think it's got any radiator fluid in it. It looks like it's full though.
Yeah, I believe so.
It's got all kinds of windshield washer fluid in it.
Oh, they cut that? They did, didn't they?
What?
They cut that.
No.
Oh,
Look
look at this. Wonder what the code is.
What's this?
Don't worry, that's a sheared off cable. Hopefully it's not the airbags and they're gonna pop. Got a remote start?
I think it come out there. The ECU.
It does. You hit that button twice. Well, that's not there yet.
Ready?
Contact.
Lost connection.
This
Uh-oh.
should be a good ground.
There we go. We're back.
Probably
Try
got
again.
fail safe on it.
Ready?
Yeah, hit it.
And we don't know what this is.
Nope. Probably goes to right here.
Yep.
Maybe why it don't start.
What?
This sheared off connector.
Didn't start, as you've seen. So looks like we're going to be doing what we always do. Tow it. Disappointed?
Very. As always.
What do you think? Is it really going to start?
No, I knew it wasn't gonna start.
That's not our luck. I don't think. Maybe it is.
We are gonna show you how to put it neutral.
You need a... Hey, let me get my headlight out.
Take a pry bar.
Yeah. A pry bar?
I think we're in neutral.
That's a great pry bar. Show them your pry bar. And tell them where that was at.
In my pocket.
Of course. Like your burnout.
Probably not great for brand new asphalt.
Just a little smoke came off of it. Go Logan, go Logan. Push, push. That's all that you got. Great job.
We have to put a little scotch under it.
Scott or Jen?
All right, guys, we don't know why it didn't start, but we're going to start by trying to repair this wiring harness. It's been sheared off. This goes straight to the ECU on the car, so
Yeah.
we're going to see what we can do about fixing this. It's kind of a mess, but I think it can be repaired. So we're going to fix this, then we may try to start it again.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so to fix this harness, I'm going to have to D-pin this connector and solder each wire and hopefully get it back in the correct spot in the harness, or in the connector.
Good luck.
So that's where I'm at. All right, guys, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires here. Did you say you had a 2-wire connector? Yeah, you did. We got 5 wires here that the connectors were just destroyed on, so we've got these right here purchased maybe from Amazon.
Amazon, of course.
So it's basically you can make your own connector so that we still will end up having a connector on these wires that were bad. So we're gonna put these here and that should get it.
All right. Update. Me and Justin got this harness back together. While Casey didn't do anything.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
No, Casey's a wiring guru. So, got everything soldered, heat shrink. We're going to test it out. We're going to put the WRX battery on it because the battery that was on it's no good.
Of course, it's not.
Of course it's not. So, we'll have to buy one. So, we're going to put a battery on it and then, fingers crossed, we're going to start it.
All right, guys, we finally found the key.
It was in his pocket.
It
It was in his pocket, of course.
We were looking for it. It was in my pocket, I'll be honest. That happens a lot.
I would love for you to show them the battery. The new battery we just got from NASA.
So we had to
It's a great fit.
make a battery work. Don't worry. All safe here.
Oh, that's a good sign. It wasn't doing that earlier.
So it's doing things it wasn't doing.
Transmission not in park.
Is it in park?
It is now. Did it move, Justin?
I don't know.
We never did put it. Yeah, we did put it back in park. All right. So let's think of everything. Do we have any major lights on the dash? Does it say anything?
Sure. Hood ajar. Trunk ajar. Door ajar.
C manual.
I wonder if I can clear all those. Should we try to clear all that stuff before we start it?
No, sorry.
Press brake to start.
See if you press brake if it says press brake to start anymore.
Run power active. Okay. Service. Advanced track. Okay. Woo!
I can't believe that. That's unbelievable. If you look at this mess out there, you think that's unbelievable. That's unbelievable.
Success! It sounds like a dream.
And we don't even have much time like that.
Got the mass airflow?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut it. While I was waiting on Casey to do that, I was digging through the car, and it looks like when they wrecked, they were going to the grocery store to get shortcake, milk. I'm going to assume that's mayonnaise. MAOINZE. Fruit, coffee, Cokes, and TV dinner.
Hey, if anybody knows what fruit is, drop it down in the comments below.
Or if it's MAOINZE, is that something? Maybe it's not mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Maybe that's a real thing.
Yeah, maybe so.
Dallas.
And if you ever want to see this thing put together, smash that subscribe button. Or not see it put together, maybe.
At least it runs.
It's awesome. It ran. Right now we got a few codes. We're trying to figure out if it's a blown fuse.
2.
Got a steering angle sensor that's not working, and none of the steering wheel controls are working. So I'm trying to see if maybe we blew a fuse or something. Justin, you got the heater going?
I'm freezing to death in here.
It's a heat gun, not a hair dryer.
Feels good though. I'm sticking up my shirt.
I see it glowing orange from here.
12 degrees in here.
Alright guys, we've been doing some digging for the last hour or so. I think we fixed all our issues.
Yeah.
Mainly, there's 2 blue and orange wires that we fixed earlier in this harness. And we had them backwards. So we just done butt splices for now to see if that was our problem. But sure enough it was. So we'll go back and solder these and make them good. And our steering angle issue was a blown fuse.
Yep. We had 2 blown fuses.
Yep. And the one was the alternator as well, blown fuse.
That was from all this mess touching each other though.
Yep. So as of right now, car runs great with no codes. So other than a headlight code.
Yeah.
So that's excellent news. So we'll tidy up some of this a little bit better before we put it together. But at least we got everything working.
That's right.
Episode number 2. It runs. We're on the up and up now.
Now we just gotta get some pieces and parts together like a big puzzle, and it'll be a really nice car. Actually, I think it'll make somebody a really nice car. Good find. Whoever found it.
All right, guys. That's it for night 1 working on the Lincoln. Pretty good progress, I think.
Yeah, got it running. So now we got to do some car shuffling around here. Get this over here, and someone's taking the Mini Cooper home.
That'd be me. Hopefully it makes it.
Don't worry, I'm gonna follow him. I drove the Subaru in case it breaks down. I'll just give him a little tow.
But yeah, guys, great night. I'm super excited to get this thing running, to get all the fault codes off of it. So now we can basically just concentrate on our body work and getting the thing back looking good again. So over the next day or so, we'll be ordering a fender, a bumper, a headlight, a few other parts for it. And then in the next episode of this, hopefully you'll see us maybe fit some of that stuff and maybe work on this hood a little bit and get it ready for some paint is going to be the plan, I think, for the next video, assuming we can get some parts. I don't know how long it's going to take to get some of that stuff.
Yeah, that's the hiccup right now. Doesn't really matter what it is, parts are an issue right now.
Yeah. So Justin done an excellent job on the wiring.
He's crazy. I'm no wiring guy. He is. He's the guru of wiring. It beats all I've ever seen. You snip a wire here, you get it to work. Go figure. This guy. It's unbelievable.
Hey, but yeah, that's going to be it for this episode of BA Car, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do, like our content, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. We'll see you in the next episode.
See ya!